I think a lot of engineers are quite old school in the way that they market, but social media can just open you up to such a wider audience of people, and it's a lot more cost effective as well.
Social media often people think is just for B2C, but actually it works well for B2B, which is where we come in.
For manufacturing companies, it's not necessarily selling your individual products, it's more
Service.
to build your credibility, the trust behind your business, to show the people behind your business, just to build customer loyalty.
A digital rapport, so to
Yeah.
speak. Having a strong online presence is really, really important. It allows your customers to see inside your factories, see the people behind all the components or whatever your company creates.
Yeah, I think if you had two precision engineering companies side by side, and one was posting every single day, they were showing new machines that they've had, customer reviews, and then you had someone else that offered exactly the same services but hadn't posted for, say, 3 years. I know which one I would probably go for or inquire with out of the two.
So we have a team of 8 in our social media department, ranging with graphic design, obviously content creators, videography, photography.
It's all well and good having a marketing company manage your social media as a manufacturer, but if they don't know manufacturing, they're not going to get your message across as well as we are. We're good in the fact that we're very niche just to manufacturing, and that covers the whole spectrum, like precision engineering, metal fabrication, casting, plastics, rubber, the whole lot. The whole lot. Manufacturers are so busy, and that's why a lot of our customers, our social customers, come on board, because they don't have time to be posting daily updates of things they're making or what people are doing behind the scenes. Video 100%, but we obviously as a social team do a hell of a lot more than that as well.
GIFs, carousels, pictures, but we do think that video just comes on top. You know, you see the process, you see the people behind your business, you see almost the credibility of your business right in front of you, and that's really important for your customers to see.
Yeah, and I think people's attention spans are so much shorter these days.
Yeah.
People are more likely to watch a 20-second video than just to read. I know I am anyway, whether that's just me being lazy. I think the good thing with the AMI social team is we're really good at making something out of nothing, so it doesn't matter if you've got loads of content or if you've got literally next to no content, we can still make you look really good on social. And obviously if you want to do more, as AMI as a company, we still offer the whole spectrum of services.
We really do have like the full picture here that will allow to elevate your business pretty seamlessly.